Hello students, good morning. I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Dear student, we are going to revise all lessons for your half yearly exam. Our course is completed of half yearly exam, and now from today onwards we will revise chapter by chapter for the half yearly exam. So keep in mind and try to do try to learn all the things and try to prepare yourself for the half yearly exam. You can see here the chapter 1, Earth, the blue planet. It is already revised, but we are going to revise it again. Spot check. Spot check is given on page number 11. In every lesson, spot check is there, but you have to learn all the spot checks and all the things properly. So here write yes or no. You have to write the answer in yes or no. There are 5 continents and 7 oceans. There are 5 continents and 7 oceans. Is it true or false? You have to write here yes or no. Dear student, it is wrong, so we will write here no, because it is given opposite. If there are 7 continents, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. It will be the correct answer. Now Asia is the largest continent. Yes, it is true. Asia is the largest continent. And India lie in which continent? India lie in Asia continent. Next is the Sahara Desert is in Africa. Yes student, the Sahara Desert lie in Africa. Answer will be yes. Next is Australia is the coldest continent. Australia is the coldest continent. It is wrong. So we will write here no, because the coldest continent is Antarctica. So it's all about the spot check that we have done. Now we are going to start exercise. Exercise A here. Here is exercise A. Match the following. In this section, in this segment, you have to match the following. Match the both columns to each other, but you are not allowed to use arrow. You can use quotes and you can write side by side right answer. Africa. Africa is matched with C. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert lies in Africa. So answer will be C here. Next is Atlantic Ocean. In Atlantic Ocean, S-shaped basins are there. In Atlantic Ocean, S-shaped basins are there. So answer will be D. Next is Australia. Australia is called island continent. Australia is called island continent. So answer will be E. Next is Arctic Ocean. Yes student, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. So answer will be here A. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. Next is River Amazon. River Amazon lies in South America. River Amazon lies in South America. So answer will be B. Let's see again. Column A and column B. Africa. Africa is matched with Sahara Desert. In Africa, Sahara Desert is there. Atlantic Ocean, S-shaped basins are there in Atlantic Ocean. Australia is island continent. Australia is called island continent. So answer will be E. Arctic Ocean, it is the smallest ocean of the world. So answer will be A. River Amazon. Amazon river lie in South America. So answer will be B. Next one is last D exercise, fill in the blanks. Dash is the only planet that support life. All you know about it, I think you have the answer. Have or not? Yes, I know you have the answer. So Dash is the only planet. What will be the answer? The Earth. The Earth is the only planet that support life. We have 8 planets. In among 8 planets, only Earth is the planet that support life, on which water and air both are available. So keep in mind. Dash percent of Earth is covered with water and 99% is dash. So here answer will be 71% of the Earth is covered with water. 71% of the Earth is covered with water and 29% is covered with 29% is land area. 29% is land. So you can see here 71% of Earth is covered with water. That's why it is called the blue planet. Next is dash is the second most populous continent in the world. Which continent is the second most populous continent in the world? So answer will be Africa. Africa is the second most populous continent. So you have to write here Africa is the second most populous continent in the world. Next is the dash is the windiest continent. Which continent is known as windiest continent? So windiest continent is Antarctica. Antarctica. Answer will be Antarctica is the windiest continent. Dash is the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point of the earth. Dash in the Pacific Ocean. Dash in the Pacific Ocean का मतलब होता है बेटा which point is dash is the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point on the earth. So you have to write which thing is found in Pacific Ocean in the deepest point of the deepest point of the earth. So deepest point of the earth is the Mariana Trench. Answer will be Mariana Trench will be the right answer. Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point on the earth. So you can see here that dash is the only planet that support life. Answer will be the earth. Dash percent of the earth is covered with water and 29% is dash land. So answer will be here 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% is covered with land. Dash is the second most populous continent in the world. Second most populous continent in the world is Africa. Next is dash is the windiest continent. Antarctica is the windiest continent. Next is dash is the Pacific Ocean. Dash in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point of the earth. Deepest point of the earth is Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point on the earth. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class. Dear student, you have to learn all the things properly, and first of all you all are requested to complete your notebook. Your notebook will be corrected once school open. So keep in mind and do the proper revision, learn line by line, because question will be asked from inside the book, inside the lesson. So keep in mind and be careful about your study. Thank you. Have a nice day.